Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up your Sellfy affiliate program? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to offer an affiliate program with Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling digital products, you know that you can partner up with other people who have a completely separate audience, and they can sell your products and you can pay them an affiliate commission. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up your affiliate program, here on the left side, you're going to click on affiliate program. Once you do that, you want to click on settings. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up your affiliate program. So you want to be sure to do this before you start inviting people in. So first off, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and choose the cookie time. So basically, after somebody shares your link with their audience, how long after that click are they going to get credit for sales? So there's some companies like Amazon, I think they do 24 hours, and there's other companies that do up to 6 months. So that's really going to be your choice. For me, I'm going to go ahead and put it at 45 days. Next, you can go ahead and set up a payout minimum, so that way you're not sending out payments every day. So let me go ahead and choose the US dollars, and I'm going to do a $100 minimum payout. Okay, here you can go ahead and set the commission rate. So let's go ahead and do 25%. If you're selling a subscription or like a recurring payment, maybe a software service, you can enable recurring right here. So that way, anytime that new customer renews, your affiliate's going to continue getting commission. And lastly, if you want to set commission rates for specific products, so maybe you're going to run a promo and then on specific products, you want to offer 50%, you can go ahead and enable this and then choose the product. Once you've chosen the product, you can go ahead and set the commission specifically for that product. So maybe we're going to do 75% for that. And then once you're done, go ahead and scroll to the top, and you want to be sure to enable the affiliate system. And then here you can choose to auto approve applicants. So basically anybody who wants to sell your products as an affiliate, you don't need to manually go in and approve them, but that's up to you. Next, you want to go ahead and click on save settings. Okay, once you do that, you want to go over here on the left and click on partners. Okay, in the partner section, this is going to show you all of the affiliates that have signed up for your program. So in order to have anybody sign up here, you're going to have to share a special link with them. Once they get that special link, they're going to need to log in and create a Sellfy account. Once that happens, affiliate partners will show up here. Now, in order to get that link, what you're going to do is click on settings here on the left, and then here is your special link. So copy this, and you can make this available on your website, and you can post it as, do you want to be our affiliate? Click here to apply. They can go in there, add their information, and be automatically approved to be an affiliate. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up your Sellfy affiliate program, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.